Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how we can create the target table at runtime in dynamic task. So in the last video, we have successfully created this dynamic task in Informatica. So now we are going to see how we can enable this create table at runtime in the dynamic job. So let me show you what was how it looks now. So, for example, if I created a new job here, let me just duplicate this. And for example, I have a table and the table doesn't exist in the target. So I want to create the table at runtime. But when you click on this three dots, you won't see the option to create the table at runtime. You have an option to select the tables, but the option where we can create the table at runtime is not enabled. So in this video, like we are going to cover that part. And for this video, I'm going to pull all these five tables from MySQL database, and I'm going to create the table at runtime in BigQuery database. So let me show you. This is the BigQuery database, and this is the demo schema. And let me just refresh this. So as you can see, there is only six table that we initially created. Only those are there, and the five tables that I showed now. So these tables are not present in the table. So we are going to create the table at runtime. So for that, what we need to do is like I will just discard these changes here, and we want to open this template mapping, and let me go to the target. So here we want to select the connection where we are trying to load the data. So here in this case, the target connection is Rego BigQuery. So this is the target connection, and so now we want to select the any object. So for example, let me choose this target type as single object, and let me click on the select. So here, like we have this option called create new at runtime. So what I will do is I will just go here and select any random table. So I will go to this create new at runtime. I will say demo slash and the table name, and I will click on OK. Okay, so it will throw error because the target table is already there. Let me do one thing. So let's create a table for brands, and it will be tbl underscore brands, and I will click on OK. Okay, so now we want to do what we want to do is we just want to save this, and we can just close this once. And after that, again, we can open the same template mapping, and let's go to the target. Now let's select the parameter values. So here the parameter is TGT source, and the target object is TGT object. So now let's save it, and now let's go to the dynamic job, and this is a dynamic job, and click on edit. Let's go to the jobs. So now when I do a copy, and when I click on the three dots, so now we will be able to see this create new at runtime. Okay, so now let's try to load the data for all these five tables. For these five tables, what I will do is I will create a new group, and I will name it as group 3. So these five table will belong to the group 3. So let me, okay, so this is group 3, and let me select the source object. So the first one is brand. So let's create the target. So I'm going to choose create new at runtime, and I will say demo slash tbl underscore brands. So let me do for the rest four tables. Categories and table underscore categories, then contacts. Contacts, and the last table is products. So as I said, like in a single page, you will be able to create 10 jobs. Even we can uh, expand the items to 20. So products, table underscore products. So we have successfully created the jobs for the new 5 tables. And let me again show you. So these 5 tables are not there in the target, that is in MySQL database. So now let's save this. And again, I don't want to execute for the first 6 table. So let me just go and disable the group 1 and group 2. So I just want to run only for the group 3. So again, I will save it and I will click on the run. So it has started and it triggered all the 5 new jobs that we created. So jobs are currently running. Okay, so one of the job got completed. So let's see what was the table name. Okay, so it's brands. So let's go to BigQuery and just try to refresh the content. Yep. So we were able to see all the new tables here. Brands, then business location, then categories, contact, products. So these are the 5 tables that we created just now. So let's see here. And we were able to see, even we were able to preview the data. So let's check whether the job got completed. Yes. So the job completed successfully. So using this, you will be able to create the target object at runtime. So Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. Thank you for watching.